Now let's download some materials. Let's download some course materials. You've gotten the list of registerable courses for the semester. Now you need the materials, the textbooks for those courses. It's free here. And download it free. You can go to the school after registration, course registration. You go to the school with course registration form, and the school will give you the textbooks for the courses you've registered for the semester. Or you can easily come here and download them. You don't need to go to the school. The materials are still online. You go through the resources menu. You see open courseware. From resources menu, you click on open courseware. To download course material for any of your courses, you go from resources menu, open courseware. Look at this. Now e-courseware. You then have to come down here. From these resources, you still need to do some filtering in order to get what you want easily. If not, it will take you a longer time to scroll and scroll and scroll and find the courses you want. So it will be easier for you to choose the faculty again. Your faculty. Let's say Faculty of Education. You click on Education, your level, 100 level. Which semester? That's probably your first semester. You just got admission. 100 level, Faculty of Education, first semester. Apply. Then you have to scroll down from here, scroll down. Then you will see the courses that applies to you. You must not do all these courses. It will be dependent on your registerable courses. You not just have to come here and download everything you see for 100 level first semester. If you're offering Edu 1 for history of education, then you have to come here. Look at this. You come here, Edu 1 for, you see this red PDF document icon. It tells you that there's a PDF here. There's a file for you here. That's where you click to download your material, your textbook. You click on this course title here. You wait for it. The computer now loads the PDF file. That's the first thing it does. It breaks it down to your computer. It opens it. So this 114, initially the code was 104. Edu 104, but the code have changed. That's why, even though it still contains 104, the material is now known as 114 material. So you click on this icon here, download. It's very simple, and it brings out this with the course code Edu 114. It's very important to maintain the current course codes to avoid confusion. So you click on Edu 114. You click on this save. That's it. Look at this. If you look at this page here, it has downloaded Edu 114 for you. And that's all. If you want to download another one, you can go back here. If you have some borrowed courses you would like to download, you come back here, then you click on the faculty. If it is mathematics, let's say maths 101, 102 and all that, so you go to Faculty of Sciences, filter it on the same level, the same semester, then it reduces the list. Look at this very short list. Then you look for the course Math 101 Elementary Mathematics. You trace it straight here. Look at it. The material is here. You just have to click on it to download it. It opens up the same way. So that's how. If you have any other borrowed course, if you have if you have maybe CSC, whatever, you go to Sciences. So you just keep going from faculty to faculty depending on your courses, and then you'll be downloading them. It's as simple as that. So immediately you conclude your exam, you can come over here for the next semester. You'll download the materials, and at your own pace, start preparing for the next semester. You don't need to wait for school to register your courses before you go to the school and collect materials. You start everything online. You learn how to adapt, try to adapt to modern technological trends, try to adapt to using your phone and computer to read.